Good morning, class. Today we're going to look at a website called SlidesGo, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to enhance your presentations and take a great PowerPoint or Google slide and turn it into an awesome A+ type of presentation. One way to make your PowerPoints look really clean is to have an awesome template to start with. So this website called SlidesGo gives you access to thousands of free Google Slides and PowerPoint templates. Once you click onto the website, you can search by function. So you can search by color, and if you are sure that you know what color, you can click through there. You can look by style, and then you can also look by kind of sector. So we're going to go into the education tab because we are preparing for our Shakespeare presentations in the next couple of weeks. So I wanted to give you some ideas on how to combine a clean template design with the hard work and hard research that you have been completing. So I've clicked into the education tab, and you can see across the top we have different categories already: thesis defense, school, lessons, workshop. You can scroll down through and see a lot of different options. It just depends on what kind of vibe you're going for, in all honesty. Consider that while some of them might be really fun, they might not be appropriate for the type of PowerPoint you're doing. For example, Doodle Sketchbook, that's really cute, but I don't know that this would be an appropriate PowerPoint for you to use for a Shakespeare presentation. Something that's like really clean, such as this distance learning PowerPoint, might be a good choice. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what happens when you click into it. Once you choose to look at one of the templates, you can actually go ahead and look across the bottom and see what the different template pages will look like. So when you choose on this right-hand side, use Google Slide Theme or use a download PowerPoint, this is what's going to show up for you once you get into those applications. So this looks like one that I will use. So I'm going to go ahead and click into it and use a Google Slides. It's going to ask you if you want to copy the document. I do want to copy the document, so I make the copy. It's loading. At this point, I have my own copy in my Google Slides application. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and change the name. At this point, since you're beginning your presentation, it can be something really basic, like English presentation. At this point, you can start going through and editing the PowerPoint. Keep in mind, if there's a slide that you don't want or you can't use, for example, if this is not a page that feels productive for you, you can just go ahead and delete that and it'll take it out of your slide deck. If your slide deck has like 50 pages like this does, and you don't need that, go ahead and delete them. A lot of the ending pages have some resources that you can use to go ahead and click, copy, and drag. For example, these photos or images are things that have been featured in an above slide. You can go ahead and use these in different places where you need them. Don't forget to include your resources page. This gives you a really great breakdown of photos, vectors. Because this is a free application, a free website to get these downloads from, the only request they have of you is that you leave this page in, as it gives them credit. So this is a resource page for Google Slide or for Slides Go. You'll need to create an additional resource page that lists your citations for your presentation. So I hope this is a good quick look at Slides Go. Feel free to mess around with it, ask questions if you have them, but we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for now. Talk to you later. Bye.